Before me left me I breathe a songs first. And beg church a cover us. They can't see we in a dust rolling and better cautious. Remember when mommy say me soon boss. No follow nobody.
Welcome to the Portmore Talent Show. I'm your host Ramon, and today we're here with an amazing artist that goes by the name of Valance. We're gonna take a quick break, pay some bills, and get back, and you'll get to know more about Valance.
I couldn't mean ya fool. No one likes time on a shoot. Like evidence we had the real proof and shot the globe like circuit boot and just cause chest pain.
Welcome Valance to the Portmore Talent Show. Wagwan.
Yeah, you know a Valance. They have to keep the place balanced, girl. That's why I'm like moderns. Yeah, what man.
All right. So, Valance, tell the people them, what is your government name? What is the name you were born with?
Well, you know my mother give me name Lance. And my
Mhm.
last name is Peter King. That I'm my father last name. You get what I say?
Peter King.
Yeah.
That's a great name, no? So, where were you born and where did you grow up?
Well, I born in a Spanish Town Hospital and I grew up in a Portmore,
Mm-hmm.
Waterford, and Country Base, Clarendon, Lesterfield.
Okay. So, is it that your balance between both of those places, Clarendon and
Well,
Waterford?
yeah, what we there about the place, man. We there about the place.
All right. So, which school did you attend when you were growing up?
Well, I used to attend Greater Portmore High,
Mm-hmm.
and then I go to Idle High School after.
Ideal High School. That's up on Mandela. That way,
Yeah.
then. Boy, oh boy. And I'm always pass a school there. I say, be a rich people go to school.
Like kids school.
All right. So, what event happened that showed you that you had the talent to do music? What kind of spark that flame for music for you?
Well, first, from a little bit ago, like, I'm reach grade 5,
Mm-hmm.
I was like, I always, I sing some remix of some old time song, old time cartel and some old time Tamale, cause I used to love listen to Tamale.
You know, one of the
And
funny thing is that when me, the younger, would say old time cartel, me that say cartel. You know, it just show generations change.
true.
Yeah, so you said, you used to cartel, you used to listen cartel, then you
Yeah,
listen Tamale.
yeah, so I always, I come home and I say to my friend them, say, we make up a freestyle
Mm-hmm.
and we make up a remix. So like the first remix one I can remember, but I always remember because that time my first song I ever when we say get some rice, bully beef and macaroni. Listen, you can't cook food in a prison. And next man have your chicken when it missing. Stay far from where take a pot and lake. You can't get egg on your bird. The porridge a piece the bowl of concrete.
Yeah.
Alright,
Ah,
and
early
from
days.
there, yeah, from there, me two other charges
Mm-hmm.
and name Pops. Next dog Lemmy. Them time they used to link up and they on veranda write song.
Mm-hmm.
So from them time they always have that in me. But
Okay.
yeah,
So at either say grade 5 primary school,
yeah.
that's when you really start push more in the music.
That when I find out say
Mm-hmm.
have it. Otherwise when I reach high school now,
Mm-hmm.
I realize say I have it like literally.
So
I
it's the
got it.
beat. Them used to beat the and yeah, perform.
Yeah,
Jamaican history, you
yeah.
know, every artist always say, boy, you know, in high school, them something special about the next day. We set man future
I don't lie.
for music, you know.
I don't lie.
Boy, if they ever need know when them design them decks there, then put some musical notes on it. Yeah. All right. So, what type of music you say that interested the most? Dancehall or you know, newer generation, you know, maybe
Well,
a little trap, I don't know.
me still. Well, I love every genre still, truly.
Mm-hmm.
Cause me is a person, me listen, me listen reggae for the whole day.
Mm-hmm.
I love reggae song, and I love old time music too. So,
Okay.
and me listen foreign song, like, depends on the mood I'm in or what.
Mm-hmm.
Dancehall is like a vibe, you know? So when I listen to dancehall, you know, vibes, like, any bouncy vibes and listen to dancehall.
Okay.
But otherwise, every song, any song me listen.
All right. So you know, say, boom, you have the talent for the music and you start push out and do it. When you perform for the first time, I don't know which part you perform though, but how were you received on that platform?
Alright, well, the first time I performed was at Idle
Mm-hmm. The
and
Ritz School.
yeah, Idle High School.
Joke, man.
And it turned out good cause whenever they expect it and when I went on the stage, it was a devotion at the time,
Mm.
general devotion. Some went up and said, cause the principal knows say we can do music and show me name the all about in school and thing and then
You
everybody
name the
literally
album for music.
yeah
Ah,
everybody
that's a good
yeah
thing.
they know say I'm my artist so
Mm.
say so I go up on the stage and rock the old school the
Boy,
old
devotion, I
school
know,
and
boy. What going on
the
devotion,
funny
man?
thing is the funny thing is the principal say you never the principal say don't want to do no dance hall better you do reggae or one of them songs there
Mm-hmm.
and do you do it I'm say cause true in the catch me I sell sweetie cause I normally sell sweetie for go studio by Friday you get what me I say cause
Yeah, work, put yourself in a
yeah
studio. Yes, I like that
cause
drive there.
lunch money limited and you know parents not have it and thing
Mm-hmm.
so all scholarship me get for go there so too so certain things but I have to try to get by my own and try to know say oh it choose me so I have to do it and done you get what me I say
I understand, man. So,
yeah
you know, say, you receive well when you do that performance, then the devotion there.
yeah
Yeah,
man
vibes.
yeah man the whole day I stay so everybody that come to me craft cause them time my name craft you get what me I
Mm.
say alright them time my name craft
Okay, okay.
so
So, right now, do you have any recorded songs out there that
oh
any singles or I don't
yes
know features?
yes I have 11 songs out now I have 11 songs really
Mm-hmm.
like when we do from school days
Mm-hmm.
when come up like YouTube Valance music
Valance music.
yeah
All right. So, are you signed with any manager or booking agent, or is there a specific production team that you work with?
well um I'm not signed by any but I work with Fire Royal Records
Fire Royal Records.
yeah Fire Royal Records I think one and bless up Junior X I get what I say
Mm-hmm.
yeah all the time man.
All right. So, when you were younger, you know, say you have the talent for the music, but is there any other hidden talent where maybe enough people don't know about, but you know about, where
Oh
come naturally to you?
me can draw
You can draw. That's how the
yeah
name your craft.
yeah, I can draw. Like literally, I can look for you and draw. Me only get scholarship for Edna to one thing. I used to go grade up Portmore. I
Okay.
can draw. Like literally, I can look for you and draw. Yeah.
Mm.
But true, I love the music too. I have to choose one. But sometimes me draw and like me I make up something. Cause me not really draw. I look on picture and just draw it on my head.
Hmm.
Anything and just
Very visual person.
yeah,
Mm. Can expect some very creative music from you then.
yeah. That is it.
All right. So while in the music industry, you do this for a good while, from fifth grade. You perform a devotion, and I know you have other performances and stuff. Where I say you learn from the music industry so far, where maybe I want to tell one of you're charging them or your friend them.
Well, music is a thing where it comes with passion. You get what me I say
Mm-hmm.
and love. And respect. You treat it like your wife,
Mm.
cause you give you bun. You get what I say?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and never don't give up. You see, if a music you love, don't give up. You get what I say?
Mm-hmm.
Cause it did it. I already feel.
All right. So deal with the music proper, pay it attention. All right.
Yeah,
We will give one.
yeah.
All right. That's a serious lesson right there. And how far do you want to take your music career?
Well, I want to take it across the whole world. Actually, I want every ears to hear my song. Like literally, every ears, every country around the world.
Mm.
Yeah. So if I'm a billion country, then upon the planet, yeah, all in a bush of people there, more than a year too. Said way.
All right. So
Yeah.
thanks for coming on the Portmore Talent Show, Valance. It was good to hear from you.
Yeah, man. There, man. Always. Alright, people. Want to know check out on the media, social media, Instagram, Valance Music, no other. Check out YouTube, said thing. You have to find me. Can't miss. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, broadcasting, time now, global. Valance, represent the streets, so we have to look like the streets. So so out here all the time. Caution. Yeah. But say, before me left me I breathe a songs first. And beg judge a covers. Them can't see we in a dust rolling and better cautious. Remember when mommy say me soon boss. No follow nobody, do you wanna stuff? And people mind dirty up full of grudge. Big stone girl say me tough. Just remember, me no wanna love. Heart done broke so do we me puff. Gone for my goal and me not give up. Chasing my dreams get the flames up. Hold it on strong titanium. Anger mixed with the pain now. House of a bigger than stadium. Can't just drop in a beast mode. Oh, you for one know my whereabouts. Tell us you can't know my whereabouts. You never hear me out. Never need to shout. Till freezing all in a winter coat. Through the storm we make it out, we still afloat. You better take book and pen and write some notes. Big calico, bust them ground. Portmore, Spain town, no live on earth, just yelling out. One rich like we sell coke. Use the port, have to find out we have to make it out. Before me left me I breathe a songs first. And beg judge a covers. They can't see we in a dust rolling and better cautious. Remember when mommy say me soon boss. They follow nobody and do you wanna stuff? Cause people are dirty up full of grudge. Big stone girl say me tough. Just remember me no royal we are the truth. Them can't put the soul for mute and turn it up you know your gun salute and remember them say who could do it you and I couldn't mean ya fool. Now I like time and I shoot. Like evidence we are the real proof and shot the globe like circuit boot and just cause chest pain. Heart mash up, me say chest pain. Mommy say heart full of rage and that cause chest pain. Roll my weed like the craving here. Watch blessings start rain. Yeah, chest pain. You broke me out, for see me move me in a casty dog. Life I teach like draft, you have to move smart. Kinda days, but you know full of craft. Trot the road, have to move on. Press pan gas, although I'm still a walk. With me that you look on the ladder, stuck in the past. Destined for great, so me have reach far and just cause. Chest pain. Heart mash up, me say chest pain. Mommy say heart full of rage and that cause chest pain. Roll my weed like the craving here. Watch blessings start rain. Yeah, chest pain. Them ask how much gal me have. Me say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 a million gal. And so much gal me have. Me say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 a million gal. A million, turn it in a trillion. Girl a text me the pass me but just know say me can't settle girl. You better well I say it man. You better well I say it man. As here let me get a different girl. So don't tell me about my girl. Better come sing pan my John. And you say me are the devil man. Better get in a spirit girl. Nobody tell me say I have a man. Cause me really don't give a damn. My wife just flying from England. Have 5 pretty face from Trinidad and I sing my song. And them ask how much can you have? Me say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 a million girl. And so much can you have? Me say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 a million girl. A million, turn it in a trillion. Girl text me the pass me but just know say me can't settle girl. You better wanna say it man. You better wanna say it man. Hotter than the kettle, my pants them babble make you start get